Hello, my oral story is The Signal in the Moon. The air in the cellar once was heavy, it felt solid. It carried a metallic density that coated the back of the throat, a suffocating mixture of stagnant dampness and the sharp Praising scanned off with Cooper, Elias took the final step of the stairs, feeling the rotted wood groan beneath his boots, a sound that seemed instantly swallowed by the encroaching shadows. He swept his flashing into slow, practiced hard the beam to cut through the darkened light and complete revealing a layer of viscous black fluid leaking from the rusted overstepped pipes. It was oil trail liquid moving with a biological intent spreading across the concrete in progress that throbbed with rhythmic skin cadence, a slow, steady pulse as of the very foundation of the house were pumping black bile through on veins. Elias moved forward careful and around the stage he had lived in the house from 6 months, ignoring the whispers between the dragon in the gold spot in the hallway. But the snake today was undeniable. It smelled of an old work repellent. Reaching the back wall, he noticed the moral between the stunned that disintegrated into grey powder. A lane fracture had become a grappling mount with a ground of thought into grey powder. A hardened fracture had become a ground mount with a ground after. Elias cricket at the loose stone. The blue hip way will follow tooth, tumbling into void and revealing a hidden chamber trap appeared on no blueprint of the state. Has the refreshing brim penetrate the chamber. The temperature plummeting it once was a crowd's place. It was a feat macabre engineering. Dozens of bones, femur ribs, vertebrae, and being arranged with geometric precision embedded into the walls like a mosaic of stained ivory. But I was but it was the scroll that froze the blood in his veins. Hundreds of them were leaned to on stumbling, all oriented in the same direction. They weren't looking at Elias. They weren't looking at the exit, a very single one with Hollywood chokers and Samchin house was tumbled toward in the corner where a railing of for toasting era sat a russet, cachorro right television seat in the glass of cream, clo- clothed and its chassis crooked by correction. Elias approached drowned by marginal cold receipt. The television power cord was plugged into a wall. Instead, the fried copper wires derived directly in the mound of organic matter pulsing in the floor. His hand trembled in he reached for the violate dial. They clicked on the power crown and shut down the usuary like a bomb snapping in the dark. The screen did show up it, it erupted into a storm of gray snow, a fretting dance of static tag strawberry, a rain thick flash of the dead marking the empty. It seemed to freak afraid sound was exalted what expected a deafening roar of white noise that trended and burst his eardrums. Elias started to cover in his heart but in the frost. There was a partner. He noted the ideal fraction of a millimeter. The weight noise began to modulate to take a bicycle snap. It was no longer the sound of electrons. It was the sound of two sounds of calcium pieces conjuncting a returning very frantic chanting. It was the sound of seat of three chanting in perfect unison, following the rhythm of that block pulse beneath the floor. What are you? Elias whispered, his auburn voice sounding thin and alien in the vibrating room. The state on the screen suddenly went dead silent. The snow froze into a single, jagged shape of the silence. A voice emerged, not made of vocal cords, but integrating of bone on bone, and is spoke his name. A tight, abstract moment of very skull in the wall, vibrated against the stone, and Elias realized that signal was coming from the TV.